Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. By the time you see this little video, honey, Christmas is going to be over and we are moving on to the new year. And I don't know about y'all, but I love making all these little goodies for New Year's Eve. And so I'm going to show you one of the little goodies that we make. And this is one of Russ's favorites. He loves him some good old sausage balls.
Man.
So we are doing a little spin on the traditional sausage ball recipe. And we're going to do the pimento cheese sausage balls. So I got my big pan out, y'all. I'm ready. Not that it takes that much ingredients. I know I'm going to be mixing and doing, and I like to just move around. And I tell everybody, if y'all ever find these old pans and stuff, honey, pick them up. Yard sales, Goodwill, wherever. I love my little pans. All right, so I have already got 1.5 cups of Bisquick bacon mix in here. And, yep, just some Bisquick. And I am going to put about a teaspoon of garlic powder in here, just for a little flavor.
Little mixy mix.
Little something in there. So 1 little tablespoon of that. Now, just went down my throat. It calls for 12 ounces of pimento cheese. And I have some pimento cheese jalapeno. It's got some jalapenos in it. Now this is good if you have a fresh jalapeno to put in there. But I figured I'd go ahead and get some pimento cheese. I didn't make my own pimento cheese. This was buy one, get one free. I said, Lord, by the time I go and buy all the cheeses and stuff, I could have already got this. So it calls for 12 ounces. This is a 9 ounce, I think. Y'all, I just had my eyes dilated, so I'm a little wonky. And yes, I believe that's 9 ounces. So I'm going to substitute and put some cream cheese in it.
And we're struggling, y'all, because I broke my glasses. And I have these reader peeps on.
Oh,
and they're not my regular glasses.
We're just having a big old time.
So yeah, well, it might not look normal.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
But you know what? Let me wipe this because I'm gonna be cutting that cream cheese there, and I don't want to get it yucky. Let's just move this out of the way. Because you know that's going to be one of my Tupperware bowls later.
Of course it is. Yeah, absolutely. It's going in the cabinet.
It'll be washed up, honey.
Absolutely. Somebody will get that.
Yes, they will.
And then I'll complain about it.
He will.
Absolutely.
And I'll ignore him.
She will.
Just like always.
That's how we do.
So 4 ounces of cream cheese in there. Now, I like the Jimmy Dean brand. It was on sale. But this is a pound of sausage, and I got just the regular. You can do the hot if you like hot. I don't love, Russell would love, he loves the hot.
Yeah.
But I'm going to be eating these too. So, honey, we're going to make us both happy. He likes these just as well.
I do. I'll do either or.
He does.
I love them just the same. I do.
He loves me more, so.
I do. That's a true story.
All right, I'm just going to get in here and mash this up. There's not really a very nice way of doing it. Well, I guess there is. You can do it, and you can totally mix this with your mixer. But I'm just going to get in here and get all this.
That's just something else to wash.
Something else to wash. You got a whole mixer.
Yeah.
Anyway, God gave us some hands, some tools, so I'm just going to use them. Now, I have chopped a little bit of a green onion. Russell, I didn't know if you wanted that in there or not. You want a little green onion or not?
You done chopped it now, so I guess we're going to have it.
I guess we're going to have it. But if you don't want it, I can put it in something else.
No, that's fine.
It won't go to waste. All right.
It'll work.
So, I got it right here. I'm going to just toss that in. And we're going to get to mixing it up real good. I've got my oven set at 350, and she's over there getting hot and spicy over there. And I'm going to make us up some of these little balls.
Man, y'all, I'm telling you, this is one of the best appetizers.
He loves it.
You cannot beat them. I'm telling you, you can't beat them.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't nothing like sitting down watching an old football game or something and having some Good old warm sausage,
Sausage
balls,
balls.
man. Ooh,
Yes,
I love it. It's one of my favorites.
it is. We always have it. We always have little goodies too for Christmas Eve. And like I said, by the time y'all see this, Christmas will be over. But we have not had Christmas Eve yet. And all the little the babies and the kiddos and the grandkids will be over. And I just make up all kind of little goodies for that.
She does.
Yes, I do, honey.
And sausage balls are always on the menu.
Always.
Yep.
Always is. But
So it's a staple here at our house.
I'm getting this all over these gloves, honey. Now, if it looks too wet, you can add a little bit more Bisquick to it. But I don't want these dry. I have had some before, just been like, Lord, trying to chew it. So we want these nice and moist. And that cream cheese in there, this is what it's looking like.
Oh, yeah.
That cream cheese in there. Now I gotta get all this off my glove because I'm not gonna waste all this goodness. I think we'll do it.
Looking good, y'all.
Let's do this. Look at there.
Yeah, look at there.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, ain't there, baby?
Yeah.
And I'm stubborn.
Improvise.
I'm a stubborn old bird.
Improvisation.
All right, I'm gonna get these off. And then we are gonna, I got my little ice cream scooper there, my little melon size. And we're gonna make us some balls up. All right, I'm not gonna grease this pan because this pan is really good and it don't stick. But you can put parchment paper it down and do all the things that you wanna do. So I'm just gonna start making some of these little balls here. Whoop. You can roll these out by your hand too. You ain't got to use that. There you go. Let me use my finger to get them out.
Y'all, that's going to be yummy deliciousness.
Yes.
I can't wait for y'all to see what that turns into. Goodness.
Roll them up a little bit. Some of them ugly.
Make them balls.
Yes. I don't want to be all ugly. All right. All right, I'm just going to scoop all these out. Like I said, I've got the oven set at 350. And I'm going to bake these probably 18 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back to show you what they look like. All right, y'all. There they are. I'll just mash this little filler. There they are. See how loose they are? I didn't need no grease or nothing on this little baking sheet. Yummy. Now I've been working on a concoction for some sauce. I'll let Russ, he's a taste tester, right, Russell?
That's right.
So you can give it a little taste, but anyway, I'm gonna put these on a plate, and then you'll be up, Russell.
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Y'all, here she is. You ready for it?
I'm ready for it. Y'all,
Just
looky. Look at that.
Good old sausage ball.
Ain't nothing better. All right, we're going to
He's
try
gonna try my concoction.
concoction, as she calls it.
Yes.
It looks like an aioli.
Kinda.
That's the fancy dancy word.
Look at you.
It's good. It's sweet.
It's taste it first.
It's good.
It's
Got
good.
mayo in it.
It does have a little mayonnaise in it and a little sweet chili sauce and a little sriracha.
It's good.
Yeah. You like?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. You can do this with like a hot honey and mustard too. That's
Very
good. I didn't have any hot honey and didn't have time to cook me some chili peppers.
It pairs very well with the jalapeno.
Mm-hmm.
That is a fantastic sausage ball.
Good.
Yeah,
Taste one without the sauce now.
the jalapeno and the pimento cheese. I'm gonna tell y'all that goes really good together.
And
it
the
really does.
cream cheese is super creamy.
That is a very good pairing.
Good.
It really does. This goes good together with the sausage. I mean, that's.
And you can make your own pimento cheese. Like I said, by the time I went and grated all my cheese and did all my stuff, it was on sale. I did it a lot cheaper.
Crunchy.
So, a little crispy on the
Man,
bottom.
fantastic.
But it's soft. It's not dry. I don't like an old dried out sausage ball that tastes
It don't
like.
get no better than that.
Yeah, I don't like it when you put too much. Some people put too much bacon mix in it, and it's real doughy. It's like real dry. So that's moist. It's good. Like I said, that cream cheese too. This is like creamy, cheesy goodness.
Well,
So I guess it was a hit, huh? Oh, Lord.
I'm just kidding.
How about that? I'm gonna be taking this to a little party, and but you're gonna have some too. There's some.
It's gonna be less than it was.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it's very good, y'all. Give it a try. It's better. I'm gonna say it's probably a little bit next level more than your just regular.
Yeah,
sausage
just sausage ball. Yeah.
It's next level.
And you know your regular sausage ball is just bacon mix and some cheddar cheese and your bacon mix.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's
Make
good.
sure
The regular is very good.
He's always loved sausage balls.
Always loved them.
Yes.
That may be just a little bit
Next
Yeah,
level.
next level. I like it.
It hits a little different.
It does. I like the jalapeno pimento cheese anyway. And hey, if you had a little bit of that hot Jimmy Dean too.
Yes.
Hey.
And if you like it hot, yeah.
But as she said,
Sorry.
I
Sorry,
choose her
baby.
over the hot sausage.
Yes,
I gotta
and
choose.
I'm gonna enjoy some too. So.
Yes.
But anyway, probably though, I could have probably dealt with it with that little bit of sweet sauce.
Yeah.
Which that does have sriracha in it.
Yeah.
You get a little bit of heat on the back end of that.
It's good.
And that
It's really
chili
good.
sauce.
It's
So-
and the sweet with the chili sauce really goes good with the
It
balls.
does.
It does. It's very good.
And y'all, I just mixed a little mayo, like I said, a little sweet chili sauce, and some sriracha. I didn't measure, of course.
Let us know if y'all having a New Year's party.
Yeah.
Let us know what y'all do, how y'all celebrate New Year's. Do you go out? What do y'all do?
Yep. How
We
did you
always
bring it
have
in?
little knick-knack stuff. She loves
do.
making that stuff.
I do.
Yeah, we'll get us a bottle of Welch's
Sparkling grape
Welch's
juice.
grape juice for the New Year.
We
And
have our little fancy.
we try to stay
champagne
up, but
glass.
sometimes it ain't been. It ain't worked out that
A
way.
lot of years we've had to work.
Yes.
And people's out there just blasting away
Yeah,
like
man.
July 4th. Honey, I always have to work next day.
Yeah.
And when
it's
I'm
rough.
sitting there like, oh, let them stop, sweet Jesus,
Pillows
let them
over your
stop.
head.
Yes.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. And our neighborhood puts on a show.
Oh, yeah.
of
It's
the-
always
oh my goodness,
it's
the
always
big-
an extravaganza.
Yes. We can just sit in our backyard and enjoy. We ain't even got to buy fireworks.
That's
We
right.
It's like
That's
we
right.
brought up in town. But anyway, y'all, let us know what y'all do. How y'all
We hope
spend
if
the
you
new
celebrate, you're safe and
Yes.
enjoy it with your family or whoever you enjoy it with.
year. Yes, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Wonderful Christmas. And until next time.